Want to post your Instagram reel on your Snapchat story? Here's how to do it in 2 easy ways. First, open Instagram and find the reel you want to share. Tap the three dots at the bottom right, then hit share and choose Snapchat. This will open Snapchat with the reel loaded, but it won't look like a regular Snapchat story. For a proper story post, try the second method. Tap the paper airplane icon on the reel, select add reel to your story, then save it by tapping the three dots at the top right and choosing save. The video will now be in your camera roll. Open Snapchat, tap the camera icon, swipe up to access your camera roll and select the saved reel. Tap story to share it like a regular snap. That's it, now your Instagram reel is live on Snapchat. If this helped, like and follow for more social media tips.